Hello, and today we are learning about autonomous vehicles. What are autonomous driving vehicles? Autonomous driving vehicles that can drive, or vehicles that can drive independently without the help from a person in the car. The current technology used to automate driving is cameras and sensors. Who is using autonomous vehicles? Well, currently some of the companies using it are obviously one of the most well known is Tesla, Waymo, Momenta, and Cruise. Where is an autonomous vehicle being used? Currently, the areas autonomous vehicles are being used are for residential use, uh, the automobile industry, logistics, and also currently breaking out into transportation for people like a taxi. When to use autonomous vehicle. The first autonomous vehicle was invented back in the 1980s by a German engineer. Later on in modern times, Google tested autonomous cars back in 2009, but met with an unfortunate accident as people were hurt in testing, and it halted progress on this technology for a little bit. Why should you use autonomous vehicles? Here's some reasons. Reductions in death due to traffic. Uh, Lower carbon emissions. Obviously, getting in a car accident causes traffic buildups, people to sit into the on the highway, emitting more emissions instead of getting directly to their work. Uh, then there's better fuel economy, as people won't be as jolting and be more standardized on driving processes, so be less stop and go type traffic flow. And then reduction in travel time. Obviously, as we mentioned before, correlates back to driving conditions and uniformity. How does Sweden utilize autonomous vehicles? Sweden is using autonomous vehicles for SDG industry. The idea is to develop the technology to implement into the logistics and supply chain process of the country to make it more efficient and be able to stay off any injuries. Lastly, two facts and a lie. Autonomous vehicles is being implemented by Tesla. Autonomous vehicles is currently being researched by all car companies, or autonomous vehicle is unattainable currently. Thank you for listening. I hope you like what you learned today, and look down in the comment section below to find your answer.